Good afternoon. This is the bid. Actually, we're doing two bids today. First bid I'm going to be doing is a rebid for water material. And I received one bid from Corin, Maine and Edison. And the total price on this, which is a line item bid, is $1,437.95. And the second bid we have today for the HVAC services. I have one bid from Unit Temp in Somerset. And the price for this is maintenance is $107. Biannual maintenance is $107. Annual maintenance is $107. Emergency repairs is $107. Monday through Friday. And after hours, 5 to 8 is $160. Saturday and Sunday is $160. And we have journeyman, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, $107. 5 to 8, $160. Saturday, Sunday, and holidays at $160. And apprentice, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, $92. Apprentice helper, 5 to 8, $138. And Saturday and Sunday, $184. Foreman, $130 for Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Foreman 5 to 8 is $195, and foreman Saturday and Sunday is $260. And the markup for material is 40%. And that's all for today. Thank you.